Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about the second type of gametogenesis, oogenesis. The first one was spermatogenesis, we have already talked about in the last video. I will leave the link in the description below. So let's begin. Oogenesis is the production of female gametes named as eggs. Oogenesis begins with cells named as oogonia, singular oogonium, and this oogonium is diploid and it contains 46 chromosomes. Then this oogonium divides via mitosis and forms two cells. First one remains as oogonium and the other one turns into a primary oocyte, and both cells are diploid. Then this primary oocyte prepares for the meiosis, and there happens the replication of the DNA and growth of the cell in general. And then this primary oocyte undergoes meiosis 1 and it forms two different cells. First one is called secondary oocyte and the second one is called polar body. Both are haploid and they contain 23 chromosomes. And then both cells undergo meiosis 2 and polar body forms two other polar bodies, and the secondary oocyte forms an egg and a polar body. All of these cells are haploid and polar bodies die after the oogenesis. So what do we have? One oogonium forms one egg. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the topic. If you really did, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. You can also subscribe to my Instagram account, I have a lot of useful information there. So have a nice day and bye.